Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are talking about XDC and I'm answering three questions. Why is XDC pumping in price? Is it too late to buy the crypto XDC? And how high realistically can we actually go? All questions will be answered in today's video. But before we go any further, I would really appreciate if you would leave a like down below. It helps the video get pushed out there even further. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so question number one, why is XDC pumping? Well, on the 20th of July, the Electronic Trade Documents Act received royal assent, where it started in the House of Lords to the House of Commons, then towards the final stages, and around that exact time, XDC started pumping. And this is the most important bill that no one has ever heard of. An industry worth 1.2 trillion pounds to the UK, which relies on paper trade, and the bill itself is groundbreaking, tech-enabling legislation. So in short, it's giving digital documents the same legal standing as paper, which is helping XDC thrive as it is digitizing trade finance. And we can see the US is starting to move away from paper-based trade, so it's only the beginning. Also on the DSI initiative website, we can see the MLTR adoption is only at 7 jurisdictions, and the electronic bill of lading issuance is only 1.2%. And question number two, is it too late to buy XDC? No, in my personal opinion, but let's refer back to the Electronic Trade Documents Act, which is actually coming into effect on September the 20th. So September could be a huge month for XDC. Also, the XDC Trade Network is launching in September also, which is going to provide liquidity for trade documents on MLTR compliant solutions and interoperability for MLTR solutions. And that's going to bring more institutional investors and work towards closing that $2 trillion trade finance gap. Now, in terms of buying, it might not be too late to buy, but is it the right time to buy? Well, personally, I would not buy right now just because I already hold a decent amount of XDC. I have been accumulating from the 2 to 3 cent ranges the past year. I personally am rotating to other cryptos in my portfolio that have not pumped. But if you do not hold any XDC, it wouldn't be the worst idea to buy right now. And as long as you're not in an obvious bull run where everything is going parabolic, where you're past all-time highs, it's usually okay to buy and you're not too late into the actual market. We can see by the past bull run, 6 months before all-time high, if you invested at that point, you would have got a 9.5x investment compared to a year, 12 months before all-time high, you would have got a 23.7x. So you're still making a decent return there, even if you think you're late to the market, it's just less gains. And the third and final question, how high can XDC really go? Well, I always refer back to the saying that the history does not repeat itself, but the past often rhymes. And this is true with the Bitcoin halving occurring April 2024, where 2 to 3 months after the halving, alts start going crazy well into the next year, which would be 2025. Now, in my opinion, we are less than a year away from these alts moving, not just 2 to 3x's, actually moving parabolically, and a year and a half away, nearing all-time high prices. If we use that thinking with the previous bull run, with a year before all-time high, XDC was priced at 0.008 cents, a 23.7x, which we just discussed, to all-time high. In today's standards, that would put XDC at $1.42. Again, a year and a half before all-time high. In the previous bull run, XDC was priced at 0.001 cents, a 190x. In today's standards, that would put XDC at $11.42. Adjusting for market cap, I would definitely agree more with the first option. It's more realistic in terms of profit-taking strategies, and I'm personally just becoming more pessimistic as the market goes on. More realistic expectations, maybe a slight increase. We're talking about the bill, how important that is in terms of regulation, legislation, and XDC being a huge player in trade finance, and XDC's place in the new financial system. I left a video here for you guys, check out, fully explained in that video, just to get a little bit hyped up for the future heading into 2024 and heading into 2025. But made this far in a video. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know down below, are you still holding your XDC? I haven't sold a single penny in terms of profit. Probably a bad idea, but I just can't be bothered selling for small gains. I'm keeping it for at least near that 10 cent and beyond range. Let me know down below. But if you made it this far in the video, thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like down below, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one.